So we believe it's going to continue going down to 60, right? 60. We believe it's going to continue going down to 60. So that pullback to 67, nice entry short. We believe it's going to go to 60. So that this is a 7-point, right? And that's what we're going to continue playing. So the main play is short, ladies and gentlemen. This is the open. It's going to be a tough one. We believe its price is going to go to 60. So do you think it's easy? It's possible that the price before going to 60 goes right back to 67? Of course it is, right? But we know that the main play is down to 60. That's all we need to know. And we know, what was the support right there, Mystique? 75. Here we go. All right, 75.50. Okay.
Michael Peter just said 9:45 Chicago PM.
Oh, 9:45. Okay, this is very important. Yeah, sure. You know, we took a shot right here, 67. Right? We didn't have enough information to have a KGB short here, 70, 71. We didn't. We had to wait until the open for us to make a decision because it wasn't clear, right? But we know now that it's going to go all the way to 60, and that's why we took advantage of that bounce all the way to 67, and we are after 7 points, right? Okay, so that's what's going on right now. If there is the 62 mistake, all right, so 2 more points, and then remember the most important thing right now. We're not out of the woods until the price destroys 60. If it doesn't take 60, we know that the next resistance is 50, 75, 50, right? We know that. All right? So we're going to continue shorting resistance, expecting the price to break or at least test 60 before it breaks 75. Break of 60, then, Mystique, where are we going? Not that much. Break of 60, 61, then the price is going to be looking to go to 56 and 53. 53, here it is, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty then, so that's it. We have all the levels. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 60, right, Mystique?
That's correct.
Is that to the tick by any chance?
To the tick.
So that's 7 points. And remember everything I told you. You know the importance of 60, right? So a test is already giving us a little bit of more indication as to what's going to happen next. We know, of course, that 60 is support, right? But okay, so now the market is going to play with everybody right here at our support. So anyway, so we just made 7 points. And it's a good idea to take it because of the conditions today. It's a tough day today, okay? So no shenanigans, all righty? Okay. If you are all in, all out, then that's a tough decision because you have to take only 7 points, right? Look at me, only 7 points,
Yeah,
Mystique.
that's like a lot.
That's what all the multimillionaire teenagers wish they made for real, right? Not in their demo account. Anyway, so, and that's why we trade multiple contracts so that we can scale out 3 times plus the home run. All right, so that's what I said, 53,
Yes. You said
50, 56, and 53.
Correct.
All righty, okay, so that's good, right?
Yep.
Look, that from short 67 all the way to 58, that's 9 points. And then, of course, 56, 57 is going to be a little bit of support. It's not a target, all right? Okay, the target, ladies and gentlemen, is 53. Okay, this is target 1, 53. All right. So, and we also know the importance of 60, right? We know the importance of 60, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, 60, so that we know that the smart money is gonna try to fool everybody around here, 60, right? Now, clean break below 60. This is not a clean break, is it? Right? So look, it goes to 58, 2 points, and then back, there's going to be a fight here. So as long as the price is below 60, we are confident that we're going to test target 1, 53. 53, 63, 64, 65, 67. So we are on the quest of making 13 points. Alrighty? Okay. Oh, CAPI, are you kidding me? I got out 60, man. I logged 7, 8 points right here, man. You told me, if I'm all in all out, that I should log right here, 60, 59. Well, yeah, that's true. All right. Look at what happened just now. All righty. Okay, but we're gonna continue with the plan. All righty. Okay, so now look, ladies and gentlemen, look at 60. What did I tell? Mystique, what did I just say about 60? Look at it. Right? So that's the smart money doing exactly what we said it was going to do around 60 by way of 72. All right? So 75.50 by way of 72. 72, yeah, I mean, yeah, sure. Even the teenagers know, 71, 72 is a double top, right? But believe me, it's not because it's a double top, because we expect the price to take it and continue to 75.50. That's what we think is going to happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Chicago PMI and the consumer sentiment. Okay, 75 half support. Resistance. Okay. All right then. Important. The overall market direction, my friends, is bullish. In other words, the future intention of the trend is to go up, test 75. All right. So we know that 60 is extremely important, right? So the even though the main play has been short and it hasn't been invalidated, we believe that later on, this support right here, 56, 60, 4 points, is going to hold, and is eventually the price. This is trade what you think. This is the future. This is a crystal ball, right? What a lot of delivery traders want to be are going to tell you to never do. Well, we know better, right? This is what we believe. We are prepared because we know that below 60, which is, we're going to be looking to buy support, 56, 53, 48, expecting the price to go back, test the high, break it, and continue to 75, right? Later on. In the meantime, that clean break of 60, clean break of 60, we are expecting the price to go to those levels of support, all right? So what do we do in this room? We buy support and we sell resistance, okay? And what else we do? Well, we forecast the future. What do we think is going to happen? Price is going to go up. That's what we think. But before it goes to 75, it's got to take all the stops of the multimillionaire teenagers on YouTube on their demo account, because we know that they're all desperate to sell you their trading education because they have never taken a real trade in their entire life. Not only the teenagers, but a lot of masters of the obvious, those who give you a lot of talk on YouTube, right? The masters of the obvious, right? Those who teach you after the fact, they're included also, all right? Terrific, right? So the main play, sure, the high, which began with 67, price goes up all the way over here. Oh my God, and goes nice, terrific, right? Goes this 56, right, Mystique?
Yes.
53, right?
53 is target 1.
It's target 1. 53 is target 1. We have confirmation when the price broke 60, and we expect the price to go to 53 and 48. So the main play remains this short that we've been talking about. And now that we had a clean break of 60, that's terrific, because now we have an odd enhancer telling us that finally the price will go to target 153. Of course, it didn't go on the first leg. It first had to bounce, rally back, take all the stops of the weak bears, but we've known since the open that 53 is target what, Mystique?
1.
Target 1. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 53 to the tick?
That is correct.
I believe it is.
Target.
So that's what our forecasts say, right? Doesn't matter. We're sure right here still target 1 accomplished, right? If you don't want a counter trend, right? Because going long is a counter trend of the main play, right?
Right.
Oh, okay. No, copy. I don't counter trend. We'll stay short. Target 153. And now target 2. We are on the lookout for target 2. And we know that the next resistance is 48. 48. And then we have to wait to make a decision whether 48 is actually target 2 or just a destination. So that's why the astute trader, the real professional trader, needs to know where the market is going. You have to have a target, right? Hey, listen, I'm going to short right here. I know the market's going to try to fish me out, whatever, shake me out. But I have a target until my play is not invalidated. I'm going to do everything I can to go to 53. Yeah, copy, but we have 60, man. I know. Look at the strength of 60. It took the price all the way to 70. 10 points, right? That's a counter trend. So 53 is target 1. Why? Because we believe that there's going to be a bounce off of it like we do every single day. So what do? At target 1, we counter trend long. So those of you who went long 53, you had a razor sharp entry that just went to 58. So you just made 5 points in 5 seconds. That's terrific. You know that any long is a counter trend, especially since the price is below 60. You know how strong 60 is, right? So main play short, target 1 hit 53. And then we're going to continue managing the short, the main play, target 1, target 2, target 3, and last target. In the meantime, we know the reason 53 is a target is because the price is going to be stopped right there because we know the importance and the strength of 53 in terms of support. Number 1 and number 2, we believe that later on, there's going to be a rally because the overall market direction, ladies and gentlemen, is bullish. It's not bearish. We're just taking advantage of this main play so that we can, get us not a Lamborghini, but we can, get us maybe a Mercedes or a BMW or something like that. Steve, what do you think?
Yes, or a Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper. Oh, I love Mini Cooper.
75.
Is that almost 60 again?
Again.
All righty then. So didn't I say we're going to buy 53? 53 to 60, that's another, 7 points. And the price is below 60. We know the importance of 60, etc. Everything that I told you stays. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 60, right? 60. So those who counter trade long 53, we just made, right, 53 to 61, we just made 8 points, right? We know trading 101, support become resistance, resistance become support. 60. Gee, have I mentioned 60 today at all, Mystique?
No.
Okay, so we know that 60 is resistance. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we need to figure out. Is the overall market direction changing? Which we know the market is dynamic, it's changing only 10, because if it is, then 48 is not going to be target 2. It's just going to be a destination. So, long story short, no pun intended. Let's go ahead and, as long as the price is below 60, let's make arrangements to have it go all the way to 48. Double bottom right here, eventually break, go to 48. And what's the most important thing? If the overall market direction changes, then, ladies and gentlemen, this short 60 right here would not be with a trend, but a counter trend, because we believe that the main play short, right, is going to still be the main play. 60 is going to tell us. All right? Okay? And remember, the overall market direction is bullish. If the overall market direction is bearish, my friends, then the main play is going to be not just a chop action, but we're going to be looking to let it ride to target 1, already did. But we're going to do everything we can to go to target 1, which already did, target 2, target 3, last target. Is it possible that the last target is going to be the low of day all the way here, 35? Of course it is, all right? So we're going to let the market tell us. We're going to let the market tell us. All righty? Okay. So how? Well, as long as 60, price cannot take 60, 62, this 62 right here, then the bears are in control. Okay? Just like this morning. Below 60, bears in 60 now, and now 62, right? These 2 points right here, 60, 62. As long as the price is below this 2-point range, bears are in control, and we are expecting price to go to 48. And what did I say, 35? Let me see exactly where. Is that 60 again, Mystique?
Yes, it is.
That's right. Look at the counter trend 53, right? Target 1. So we automatically go long 53, right? Because that's one of our rules. And on top of going long 53, we also happen to believe that longer term price is going to go to 75, right? So Mystique, 75 minus 53. How many points is that? 22. Let me tell you right away because I already did the math. Right?
Yes.
Right? Why? Because we know the future. And the future has been telling us since this morning that being short here, yes, I know, short term is the main play, but that the smart money is actually looking to go to 75. Are they going to go to 75 guarantee? Of course not. We don't know that. It doesn't matter. We're going to continue managing both positions. It is actually laughable, right? Look at the way it took it on the way up, and look the way it took it on the way down. 60. Again, what a fight, right? That's it. You know, that's trading. You know, if traders only knew the importance of 60, right? So as time passes, right, and we are approaching 11:30, quarter to 12 noon, and we enter in the doldrums, we all know that the odds of any forecast developing, the odds diminish, right? I'm going to say that again. So the overall market direction is no longer bullish as it's being all the way until now. Therefore, the forecast that we were later on, that we were going to have a move all the way to 75 just diminished. So what does that tell us? Well, that tells us the following. 60 just became even more important because now we're going to be paying attention to 60 a lot more than the longer term forecast, because that longer term forecast went from bullish to a slightly of bullish only. So what does that do? It makes 60 a lot stronger. If 60 is a lot stronger, we want to be short 60 and expect the price to continue to 48. Now, more than what we were expecting before, the price to go to 75. And that, my friend, is how the market moves every single day. I like to see one of those masters of the obvious, those YouTube big shot multimillionaires read the market to you like this, live, real time, as it's happening, and not a lot of mumbo jumbo after the fact. So we can see, right, 48, clean break of 60, right? It's a breakdown. Below 60, we know it's going to 48, right? We have not, the market never invalidated the main play short. It's just that before going to target 248, look how it destroyed everybody. However, we knew the importance of 60, and we were cautious, right? We were cautious. Every time the price is above 60, we have to be careful. We have to be careful. Below, we are on our way to 48. Target 2. Yeah, thank you, Mystique. All right, 48 to the tick, Mystique.
To the tick.
Target 2, 48, beautifully tested. Target 2. All right, remember that today's action is so erratic, we left it at target 2.
Robbie wrote it at the same time. He's so excited.
Oh, okay, terrific. All right, come on, baby. Give me 39, little bounce here, and then those of us who are really strong, we're going to let it ride all the way to 35. Main plate, sure, since this morning, never invalidated. We kept on managing it, going long above 50 as a counter trend. Boom, 39. Okay, remember, by way of 39. So if you want to log here 39, that's terrific, right? Okay, so what time it is, Mystique? It's almost 12 noon.
54.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna call it a day. And if I have new information as to whether this is gonna continue going down, and we have a last target, which I'm pretty sure the market already revealed itself finally, right? Then I'll post it. Other than that,